Ahora sí. But today is in English. How is everyone? Well, today is in Spanglish, to be honest. I know that a lot of people that follow me speaks Spanish. So the idea of this, Saturdays in English is, of course, to practice my English, maybe your English, because you can listen to me. Of course, I'm a native speaker, but you might learn something. I don't know. And of course, you can try. The best way to start talking is imitating other person, but it's fine. It's part of the process. It's part of the fun of Saturdays with this new format. And we are going to start something really basic. We are going to start working with IoT. You know what IoT means? Internet of Things. And give me a second. I have a lot of stuff in my desk. It's a mess. You will see eventually, but I need to figure out. In fact, let's move this. I need to figure out how to organize my desk because it's a mess. Especially because, I just have enough space to put this and this, and then I have my keyboard here. But let's see how this goes. And then we also need more stuff like these wires. This is called jumper wires, but I will explain it in a minute. I will explain what I'm going to do today. And of course, give me a second, I need this book. This book. We're going to work with the official guide of the Raspberry Pi for beginners. And that's it. But first, as always, how is everyone? Remember, today is in English, but also in Spanish. If you ask me something in Spanish, I can answer you in Spanish. If you ask me in English, I will do it. And for that, let me change the lights. Something red. Yes. Something more funny. Red. I'm not sure. Maybe red. Red. Today it's going to be red. We can change it. So, what is the idea? So today we are going to turn on a LED. It's like a little light, and we are going to do it with the Raspberry Pi. According with the guy, we can use what is like the Scratch software, but we will do. I guess we have time to try it with the Scratch and with the Python. And if we do it like really quick, or I don't know, we are having so much fun, we can like continue doing more exercise. I'm not sure. So first, let me show what is the instrument. So you don't really need to have a Raspberry Pi 400. This is just me that I really wanted like this version because I really think it's pretty cool. Like, this keyboard, this keyboard that is at the same time a computer. For me, it's like really cool. So that's what I wanted. But you can like buy a, Raspberry Pi 4, I guess. That will do the trick. You don't really need like, let me show you. Let me show you in the desk, but first, let me show you in the desk. So for that, I need to, this is complicated, I told you. So let me just put here, yes. So if we go to, Raspberry Pi, and we go to the website, so of course right now they are like promoting the, let me see, I like, the zoom color, and let me see, we have the mobile view. So definitely you could use the Raspberry Pi 400, but also you can use one of the other versions. Like, let me see, you can use the P4 model, or even the P3 model. I think this guide is compatible with the 4 model. That's like the idea. So this is going to be a similar, and this is really cheap. It's just like 35 euros. Yeah, look, just 35 euros. This is crazy. You know, a computer, you can choose between 2, 4, 8 gigas of RAM. As a processor, USB power supply. It allows, and it supports like 2 4K displays. That's madness. And also has a couple of USB version 2, a couple of USB version 3, and a gigabyte Ethernet. So yeah, and this is mostly for prototype. Of course, when you want to do something really cool with IoT, you can like, I don't know, even this one that is smaller. What is it? Yeah, this one, that Pico, is like a really small module. Yeah, it's a microcontroller. I guess it's kind of similar as Arduino. You know, it's kind of the Arduino competence. But yeah, you have this really. Oh, you have the Zero. The Zero is pretty cool. You have a couple of things. Look, it's really small. What does it have? So wireless, Bluetooth. Oh, that's pretty cool. You know, you can do like really amazing stuff with this little device. Look how small is this. It's really small. It's like, I think it's kind of like this, you know, like this. And also, you know, half gigabyte of RAM. That's pretty cool. Yeah, really nice for, let me see. Really nice. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, look his hands. Can I zoom it? Yeah, yes I can. Yeah, it's really small. Nice. So today we are going to play with this, and let me show you. Okay, let me show you first what we're going to do and what is my approach, because as you know, or maybe you don't know, I have a little bit of knowledge about components. At least I have done this before. So we are going to turn the LED, right? So the first image is just connected directly into the power using a, what is this, a resistor? What is it called? Let me see, because my English skills, I don't know. Oh yeah, resistor. So this is a resistor. It has colors and everything. I will explain it. And then we will connect it to this is like a, you know, general port, I would say GP. Yeah, because this is GPIO, general purpose input output. Okay. And then with the Scratch, with the software, we can turn on or turn off the LED. As you can see, like the book says, we can connect it directly. Okay, we can do that if I have the proper jumpers, because it means we just need to connect here, you know, like these small things. But because I don't really want to, hello Juanjo, how are you? Because I don't really want to do this, because this is going to be chaotic, what I'm going to use is this trick. Okay, so I will show you. So I have my Raspberry Pi, and as I mentioned before, we have like this general purpose, you know, input output system. So is, if I'm not wrong, is 40 pins. Some of them you know, are for voltage, some of them are just for grab them. I guess it's kind of hard to see, but yeah, those are the pins. Here you go. Maybe if the let me see if this guy is able to, maybe, yeah, you can see. I know it's blurry. No, now here you go. So those are the pins. So because that is really hard, I'm just going to use this guy. Okay, but before I start to manipulate everything, I'm just going to use so this is a whole thing, right? I'm going to use first this is like a, how you call it, like a ham whiz, I don't know. Basically you connect this to a piece of metal, this guy to a piece of metal, and then you put this in your wrist. Yeah, I think it's wrist. So I put it here, and what it does is basically that helps avoid that I'm going to burn some of the circuits, because you know we have some kind of energy. I think it's a static energy, maybe that's the word. Hi, it's Memon. Oh, hello Memon, welcome. So now I have the wrist, you know, it's connected with this wire. I know, yeah, it's this wire here. Hopefully you can see it. So now that is connected to a metal source. If I know wrong, it's any metal. If not, I'm screwed. Hello, hello, Innuendo. And now I can manipulate the stuff. Okay. So this is what is called a cover T. And what does the cover T? I will show you in a second. So in order for me to connect the whole thing, it's easier connect this LED into a breadboard. So instead of doing it directly like this, I will show you in a second. In a second. Oh my god. So let me show you. Instead of connecting like this directly to the board, I'm going to use a breadboard. So a breadboard is like a proto board. It's a kind of you will see in a second. It's like a little thing. Yes, this little thing, that white thing that you said, that allowed me to connect wires easily without use a solder. It's a solder. Yeah, I think it's called a solder. Soldier. How do you say soldador in English? Let me see. Soldador. A welder? Soldering iron? Oh my god, a welder. No idea. Let's see. So, the thing is, the Raspberry Pi doesn't come with a proto board, but because I have an Arduino kit, and we will play with this little guy in the future. First, we'll focus in Raspberry Pi. This one comes with a proto board or a breadboard, and I'm just going to use it. The same with the LEDs. I was lucky that I bought, the Arduino kit, and they have it here. Let me see. Yeah, they have this guy here. Look, this is like the breadboard, and it has a jumper wires, but I already have a few wires, so yeah, I will show you. So it comes with a couple of wires on the proto board, but I'm just going to open this. And this is the proto board. Just going to let the wires there because those wires I don't like it. I have to buy a new ones. So this is the proto board. So what you can do with this guy is you can put like the wires there in the holes. Those are like little holes. This camera, I guess I need to like improve the setup with this camera because it doesn't like, camera. I guess it's oh yeah, it's kind of, I need to put my hand first so he recognize my hand, and then yeah, this is the proto board. Yeah, we'll figure out how to do this. Okay, so I have the proto board, I have the Raspberry Pi, and in order to connect the Raspberry Pi into the proto board, you might need the cover T. Okay, and I will show you what is the cover T. What is this amazing cover T? But first, I need to handle this disorder. And I have a Pokemon card. Which one? This is a Grapplot. What the fuck is a Grapplot? I mean, check. What is a Grapplot? I don't know this Pokemon. I really don't know it. It's like an octopus. Okay. So the cover T. Yes. So let's open the cover. Oh my god. Doing stuff here. Oh, okay, yeah, that's a good question, Innuendo. So, Raspberry Pi is a whole computer with an operative system, okay? But an Arduino is a microcontroller. It doesn't have operating system at all, So it's just like a small piece of board with some electronic components. You of course can like do code on it, like you can code both the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino, but there is no operating system in Arduino. It's not like a computer, no. But the Raspberry Pi is a computer, just a small computer, really small. So what is the cover T? So the cover T is this guy. It's like a T. You see, it's like a T. But what it does this T, and you can see it has like these guys here, these pins. You see the pins? Yeah, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, you can see the pins here. So this part, it will attach here to the board. And let me see how I want this. I guess yes, like this. Let me see. Yeah, I guess I want this in the middle. So I will connect this. No, I will connect this like this. Let me. This is really hard with the focus thing. We'll connect it here. Just in the middle. Let me see. This is hard. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Oh, okay. It doesn't matter. Like, it's not like exactly. I mean, there is no like real middle. Like, you need to sacrifice like one space or the other. I guess it's fine. Okay. So I will connect it. Yeah, let me connect it probably more like this. No. Just maybe 2 spaces. So yeah. Let me see. Okay. So now it's attached. Okay, I just attached it. Okay. And this guy has the same 40 pins. These are the same 40 pins that the ones that the Raspberry Pi has here. Exactly these 40 pins. You see? So the only remaining thing is use this wire, as you can see. But usually you need to have a lot of precaution because this has like a side. It has like a little thing on the top. I don't know if you can see it here in the top. And that explains what is the direction. Good news, the Raspberry Pi has it. Like there is like this here. There is like this little thing that it fits directly. But some Raspberry Pis doesn't have this thing, so you need to take care. So now I'm going to connect this guy here. Let me see. And this is sometimes really hard. You can like really screw up the whole pins. So I guess better to use both hands so you're sure. Okay, so already it's connected. So as you can see now, I connect the wire, This is similar. I remember when I used to fix computers. I used to, format your computer, install Windows and that kind of stuff, or Linux. Even MacBooks, I was able to fix MacBooks. Well, mostly like reinstall the operating system or create dual, triple boot. Once I install in a MacBook, of course, Mac OS, Windows, and Linux at the same time, in the same computer. Someone wanted. Okay, so now I'm going to connect the other part here. So maybe I can like, yeah, maybe put it like a little bit. Not sure if should I zoom this. I guess it's fine. No, let me see. Let me go here. Hopefully we don't screw up this. Let me zoom. I think we can have like crop up. Okay. No, this is not the one that I want. Do we have a way to do zoom? Scroll, scaling, aspirate, scaling. Let's see. I know how, but probably it's too late to open the thing. No. Okay. Let's try this with the camera in another episode. Now let's work with this. Okay, so now that I have this, just make sure the hole okay, and I'm just going to connect it similar way. Yeah. Guess I can move this here. Just going to connect it. Okay, it's attached. You need to take care. Okay, now it's connected. So now we have the Raspberry Pi and this little guy connected. But you know what? I think let's try this. I think yeah, you definitely need like zoom. Because it's going to be impossible to check this stuff. But let me see. Hopefully, let me fix some stuff here. Hopefully, it's not going to be a mess, or probably it's going to be a mess. Let's see. Some technical problems. Oh, by the way, the streaming is on fire. I mean, my processor. What happened with the thing that I opened? Logitech I don't see it. Okay, guess it's not working. No. Okay, just I will try to zoom in as I can. Maybe let me Google it. Maybe if I Google it, zoom camera OBS. Yeah, that's part of the process. How to zoom camera in OBS? Someone already asked. Let me drink a little bit of this. Just with software in the webcam. That's bad. Okay. Why you are? Oh my god. Let me see. Oh yeah. Okay, now I launch it. Hopefully it doesn't break. Okay, this guy. Let me try it. Okay, desktop. Can you see? Oh yeah, I knew this was going to happen. So okay, so yeah, let's put this here. Oh, this has like a strange resolution. Okay, don't worry. Okay, can I zoom it? No, I can't really change it. No. Oh, what? I'm assuming my face. That's not what I want. Ah, that's interesting. No, but this is my face. Now it's screw everything. Yeah, this is my face. I don't know why it changed. Now I screw everything. I don't understand. Tommy Formigo, what are you doing? We can't see links. We just see like asterisks, by the way. So probably, yeah. Now that I have the Brio here, yeah, give me a second. Oh yes, because the Brio now is screwed. Okay. Sorry, I just need to do this thing. But now it lost quality. Damn it. No. Doesn't matter. Yes, of course. Of course, of course. Yes, I speak Spanish. You want? But today we are doing it in English. Okay. I just screwed the two cameras. Right? I don't know if I've had to reset the streaming because that's going to be a problem. How can I change it? No, wait. I think, yeah, let me close it. What if I change this, so you can see me like this, and then I put like this again. Yes, I think that fits it. Yeah, that fits it. Oh yes, that fits it. Now I have more quality. Okay, let's do the same for the other camera. So now I just need to change it here. Yes, great. Okay, perfect. But that means that then what I can do is something like this. I can try to zoom it for you. Yeah, definitely. I guess that's better, right? At least for the purpose of the streaming. Yeah, I guess I can zoom it like this. Yes. Perfect. And then I need to fix this one. And for that, I can put like this one and then this one again. Yeah, fits in production. Oh my god, and now I need to change this. That's what it is. Yes, that's what it is. We are already done. Yeah, this is me. Yes. 。 Yes. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . you can learn some lessons for this whole thing. Okay, yeah, and then yes, perfect. Now we go. Let me just check if everything is fine. Yeah, everything is fine. Yeah, great. Let's back. Okay, so now a street. Who is a street? So now that we have this connected, and by the way, I haven't like really turned on the Raspberry Pi, because you should just connect the Raspberry Pi when everything is in place. It's like a recommendation. So in order to follow the tutorial, we are just going to use one of the wires. I will have to improve like my really zooming here. I promise I will improve the camera. I didn't realize it's going to be so small. So I'm just going to use a couple of wires. So I'm just going to use this wire. Yeah, I guess I just need 2 wires. Maybe in order to don't be confused, let's use the same colors as the picture, right? So for that, what they say use the colors black and blue. Okay, let's put this here. And let's use blue. This is blue color. And also let's use what is black? Do I have black? I don't have black. Okay, white. Because I don't have black, we'll use white. Okay. No, yes, white. It's fine. Another thing that I should do is change the color of this. Because now you can't really see a shit. Good news is I can do that. Yes, I definitely can do that. So how I change the color of my whole mat? So I will move this to the side. Yes, let's move it. Just put this here in a side. Let's put the wires here in a side. This in a side. My mouse in a side. The other wires in a side. My phone in a side. And then my keyboard in a side. Move everything. And then what I will do, this. I think orange works better, for the purpose of see everything. Let's try it. What do you think? Orange works better. In fact, I am waiting for a better thing in order to to show you the colors and everything. But it's not in stock. I need to yeah, much better. So we have this board, right? We have it here. The 2 wires, great. Yes, nice. I don't know if we might need a light here, because I also have a light. But I guess we can like try it there, and maybe we need. Okay, yeah, I improved the light. Right. Okay, this looks much better. Okay, so for that, what he's saying, so okay, and I need the resistor. So for the resistor, I will have to take it from the Arduino board. So I'm just going to my Arduino package, and they have this what is it? Yeah, they have it here. They have like these different components, electronic kit components, and I'm just going to open it here. And it's so many different things. Yeah, so let's take, this is sale. Yeah, exactly. This is for the static energy, so you don't screw everything. Okay, oh my god. I open this. So I'm just going to search. I need a couple of things here. Okay, let me change it. So let me see. I need, I guess, a red LED. So I have the LED. I have multiple LEDs here. So this is the LED. This little guy is the LED. This is the one that we are going to turn on. Okay. And then I need a resistor, and I need to give me a second. I need to really look at that because I don't see them. Oh yes, they are like, oh my god, this is a mess. Second. Okay, so for some reason, oh, this is a real mess. Oh my god, so many things. So if they come like this, you know, this is our, oh shit, this is our different stuff, but I will show you in a second. But this is, you know, this is the Arduino kit. This is different. We are just going to use a couple of things from the Arduino kit to the Raspberry Pi. Hello, Coder Nicola. Nice to have you here. This is really cool. Everyone is here. Also, yeah, I will take the button. Look, this is a little button. Can you see it? This is a little button. Yeah, it's like you can push it. So I will put it here because we will use it for the future. So better to have it here. And yeah, still need to take the resistors. So many things. Okay, there is another button. Okay, great. Hello. How are you guys? How are you guys and girls? Do we have any girl here? Okay, so we have a lot of stuff here. Look that. Look. A lot of stuff. It's a little bit blurry. I guess I need to put my finger to. I don't know what this camera just recognized like skin. You know, it's kind of the thing. Okay. So I will take one of the resistors, and they have a colors. And I don't really know which one should I take. Oh my god. Oh, this is like a whole. Oh, it's like a, you know, it's like a layer of. Look at that. My god. I know the one that I need to take, it needs to be 330 ohms. And that one. Okay, so we need to, damn it, we need to read the resistor, at least close, you know, to that. So if we want someone 330, let me show you here. So it needs to be orange or close, red. Okay, I'm just checking like the instructions, so how, you know, how to measure based on the colors. So they have like, the resistors have this color, have some special like, you know, meaning. So the first band is like, you know, 100, 200, blah, blah, blah. And then like the, how you call it? Las centenas, you call it in English. And then you have like, decenas. And then you have the multiplier. So it needs to be like orange, red, brown, at least. Let me see if I can find one of those, because I think I saw one of those. So the resistor. Brown, oh my god. Brown. Okay, yeah, I see. No, there are some that are brown in the third band. And there are other that are red. The only brown is green, blue, brown. What is that? Green, blue, brown. It means that is 5. Oh my god. What? Yes, 560. That's too much. It says a resistor will be blah blah blah. It needs to be. You will need a LED and 330 ohm resistor or close to 330. Damn it. So That's too much. Maybe I don't have it. Okay, wait. This is so strange. Oh, maybe the blue ones are the one. No, the blue ones are strange. It has like 4 lines. Brown, orange, red. What a problem. Without the proper resistor, the LED will, will be burned. Yes, exactly. 300 or close to 330 ohm. But if it's really like if it's more than that, probably the LED we done is not going to turn on. Or it's less, it might be burned. It will burn. So the multiplier, the multiplier, yeah, because it is not brown. Let me see. There is a website where we can like calculate. What is the name of the website? Give me a second. Let's check it. I saw it before. Oh yeah. Okay. What? No. What is the website? Okay, just let's Google it. I think this is something that you can Google, right? Let's Google it. Let's Google it. So, if I go here and put like, resistor calculator, or let's check Arduino. Arduino resistors started kit. Yeah, orange, black, red. Are you sure? Orange, black, red. Why? Okay. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I think you are right. Let me see. Because I think I have that one. I have orange. Let me see. Yeah, I have... No. Orange, black, red. I had yellow, orange, red. Oh, man. Or I have brown, black, red. Brown. Maybe it's that. Black, right? Like... Yes, I have... Let me see. So I have... I think this is this one. I have brown, but it doesn't... That's different, right? Black. Oh, no. This is too low. Oh, red. Ah, okay. This is what? Ah, tolerance color. Tolerance color is gold. No, that's too much. Right? That's too much. Orange, black, brown. Oh, okay. Orange. Yeah, exactly. We need orange, black, brown. Exactly. The problem, yes, 300. But then I need like at least this. This will be perfect, but I don't have it. But then let me see if Arduino have it. Or at least we need something close to 330. So let me see. Arduino started kit. Okay, no. Okay, let me see. Maybe this will say. I was convinced that I will have the proper resistor. This is so sad news. But maybe we can try with a, So what it says. Oh no, I don't want spam. Okay, give me the cookies. Tech specs. So. No. It has, you can see here, it has 220 or 560. So let's try with those, these two. Let's see. So 220, that means, oh, damn it. That means is the other one. What was the color? So 220, this, yeah, is brown, brown. Black, red, right? No, no. What was it? Oh, no, wait. Orange. Okay, orange. No, brown, black. Oh, this is too much. No. What was it? The color. Oh, wait. orange. No. I need brown. What is brown here? Okay, yeah. Got it. The 220 is green. Is this blue? Blue? What the fuck? Oh, yeah, okay. I will take one of those. So this is 500. Okay, I will take one of those. This is green, blah, 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 blah. How can I take this? Yes, I just need to push it. Okay, so I have this one. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the one that we're looking in the screen. Let me see. Maybe I can show you the colors. Yeah, kind of, right? Green, blue, orange, and then gold. Okay, so this is 560. Yeah, so this is brown in the third one. Okay, so okay, now I'm blurry. Okay, that's good. And then I will take the other one, the 200. 200, it means it's red. It means red, brown. Okay, what is the red, brown? I saw it. It's not here. What is the red, brown? Oh, maybe it's one that is blue. How many? 20. Okay, 20 resistors. Yeah, I think it's one that is like really bad. Yeah, because I don't see like it's one that is blue. What is that? It's like red, black. Is that something? Is that possible? Red, black. Oh, okay, but it has like 4 red, black. 5 band. Is this one? Black. Ah, okay, it's this one. Yes, and then it's not even gold. It's like brown. It's like a really bad. Oh no, brown is good. Okay, brown is good. Okay, so I will take one of those. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Perfect. So now I took the resistors. Next time, Guillermo, buy better resistors. Thank you. And channel MOSFET. Thank you. That's my dog. I painted. I do some oil painting. You can check my, my social networks. I have a couple of paintings there in Instagram, especially. Okay, now that I have the resistors, okay, and now this is like not working. Let me see. Let's go. Yeah, now that I have the resistors, so this is the 2020, and this is the one. Let's connect this, and this is going to be really hard for me to show you. So what I can do is I still can try to put the camera closer. Give me a second. Yeah, I can like do more closer than this. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so what is the deal? The deal is the following. So I need to take one of the wires. Let me see. We're going to fail this, right? As always. So the blue wire is going to connect to the three volts, I guess volts, 3.3 volts to the resistor. So we are going to take this thing here. How is it? I forget how you connect it to the, to the breadboard. Oh yeah, the holes. Okay, those are connected. Great. So, oh, this is going to be easier because then I just need the resistor. I don't need even this wire. So let's start with the two, this one. So this one, we need to bend it. You bend it like this. You bend it, and then we are connected that one to one of the LEDs. Okay, so let's see. Oh my god, this is hard. Wait. No. I was wrong. Give me a second. I need to connect. And I have another example here in the book. Yes. So for the book, no. What is it? I'm not crazy. I remember this. Okay, yes. So, okay, you want to connect directly. Let's first connect the ground. So ground, it takes ground. You can connect it directly, right? Okay, you can like connect ground. Any ground. Okay, any ground here. Let me see, this is hard. So the ground. So you have 5 volts, ground. So ground, this is ground. And then I can connect it here. Okay. Yes. Grab the ground. Perfect. And then these 5 volts, I can connect it. No, 3. So 3 volts. I can connect it here, I guess. Yeah. Just go. Everything is going to explode. Probably. I'm taking a risk here. I mean, I'm going to be fine, but probably my Raspberry Pi is going to, just explode. And you will see it in streaming, in live streaming. It's going to explode. Oh my god, this is so complex. Wait. Why they connect the thing directly? I mean, okay, doesn't matter. Let me see the instructions. So the breadboard has a thing. I want to show you. So basically, let me show you this. So basically, that's how it works with the breadboard. So as you see, the red lines that are at the sides, they are connected. The blue lines are connected, but then in the middle, there are like columns that are connected. Every column is independent, right? So you can use the red, the holes in each rail are connected. I guess, yeah, it's kind of, yeah, exactly. Are all of them connected? Yeah, I guess it's for the, it's for the energy. So, okay. So now I need the resistor. So the resistor goes from one of the sides. Yeah, there is one side. This is a tricky thing. This has a short leg and a longer leg. Leg. Not lead, leg. Okay. So the longer leg takes the resistor and the blue wire. So that means I can take this. Let me see if that works. Well, anyway, I can like, I might use like a longer, let me see. Do I need longer wire? Yeah, probably. Probably that's a better idea. Okay, got it. Okay, yeah, let's do this. So I will take this guy and I will put it just at the end. So the longer, the longer is going to be here. It's going to put this guy here. This guy here. Okay. And then this guy is going to be connected like this. This is a whole thing. This is complicated. I didn't remember that was, so complicated. So in theory, the LED, the LED is connected with the resistor here. Okay, no, it's small. Sorry for that. Right now, okay, let me put it like this. Yeah. Try this. Right now, I'm just going to use another wire. This is a wire chaos. A really long wire, a really blue. Let me see. Do I have a longer? Yeah, I guess this is going to work. Just going to use this longer wire to connect this guy with this guy. I mean, in theory, this will work. So the blue wire is taking energy, 3.3 volts of energy, and is connected to the resistor through the LED. Okay. And then I need another wire because we like wires here to be connected to the ground. So yeah, so we will take it here and then we will go here. Okay. in theory, this should work. It's a mess. I know it's a mess, you know, but let's see. So in order to make sure that's going to work, you know, we need to turn on the Raspberry Pi. That's going to be another challenge. But doesn't matter. Let's check. As soon as the Raspberry Pi is connected, okay, this should work because we are not still controlling the LED. Let me see. Be ready. So this, let's vote. Is going this to explode or not? Let me see. Oh my god. Okay. The Raspberry Pi is on. But this is not working. Definitely is not working. The question is... No, it should work because it's the weak resistor. But it's not working. No, definitely not. Let me see what I did wrong. Yeah, this should work here. Maybe the LED is in the other side. No. Okay. Oh my god. Let me see if the let me see if the Raspberry Pi is alive. This is a easy way to check it. No, I have like this remote desktop connection. Oh my god, it's not working. Okay, let me see if I can connect in the terminal. So I can show you like here. So I have the terminal. What is the terminal? Oh yeah, this is the terminal. So I can like connect to the Raspberry Pi like this. SSH P Raspberry Pi. No, wait. Raspberry Pi. So I need to put the password of my Raspberry Pi. Oh my god. What happened? Oh yeah, it's fine. Oh my god, I am there. Okay, let's reboot. Okay, let's reboot the Raspberry Pi. Okay, it's rebooting. Right. Let me see if I can connect again. I probably not. It's too early to try to connect. Yeah, it's too early. Let me see. Yeah, now it's going to connect. Let me see. Yeah, write the password. Okay, we are there. And now let me see if I can connect to the desktop. Cannot currently show the desktop? Why? Oh, maybe because I have a different host. Give me a second. Host name. I have a different host name probably. Oh no, it's the same. Why is not working? That is strange. Should be working. Why? Am I here? Yes. This is a Raspberry Pi for sure. This is not my. It's not my computer. Let me see documents. It's my code. What do I have? Yeah, but jobs. Yeah, that's the Raspberry Pi. But why I can't connect? Currently, Okay, we can do anything. No, we can do another thing. Hey. Yeah, I already checked. Look, I already checked. I changed it. But now I'm worried about why, this is not like. Let me see. Let me check something. Yeah, this is fine. In the third. Yeah, in the third row. Maybe this is too short. Let me try something different. Wait, but I'm more worried right now why I can't connect the Raspberry Pi desktop. So let's do this real quick. what I can do, I'm just going to use this cable. I'm just going to start, capturing the video. I do need to use this cable. So this cable is like a USB and this capture card. I use this capture card, so what I can do, this is a mess. Need a bigger desktop. So what I'm going to do is just going to connect this here. Just give me a second. Okay, right. And then let's try to take the video. Okay, now I'm connect. And then what is the Raspberry Pi? Yeah, this one. Okay. So now let me reboot the Raspberry Pi. Oh, but it's not working. My keyboard. Oh yeah, no, wait. Okay, wait. Give me a second. Sudo reboot. Okay, so now I reboot the Raspberry Pi. Yeah, you saw that? Okay, now it's rebooting. Okay, now that's the Raspberry Pi. This is strange. Now it's rebooting. Okay, what is happening there? What is happening there? Okay, that's the Raspberry Pi. That's the desktop. Now it's working. Okay, let me see. Oh, that's strange. I guess it needs... Now I can connect. Look. Now I can connect to the remote desktop. This is the remote desktop. Okay. 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 Okay, really strange. Okay, no, it's fine. The Raspberry Pi is fine. That's good news. So I wonder... Why it didn't work? Oh, okay, yeah, I wanted to try another. Okay, but let me choke down. What the manual says? Should I let me see. The book says. Let me see. What about turn off and turn off? Doesn't say anything. Start by checking your words. Turn your Raspberry Pi so blah blah blah. Okay. Okay, let me see. Doesn't say anything. Does anyone knows if I can just play with the Raspberry Pi? Okay. I don't see any information about it. Maybe something's wrong with the band. Okay, let's do something. Let's turn off the Raspberry Pi and let's change the resistor. Okay, maybe it's in the other way. Maybe I'm going to check down the Raspberry Pi. What? Okay. Well, I can just check down here. I can check down here for the desktop. Check down. Okay. Now it's shut down. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm just going to disconnect this guy. Great. And let me see. Everything is in place. Yeah, this is fine. This is working. Yeah, great. Yeah, let's change the resistor. So instead of use this guy, I'm just going to use the other resistor. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, so let's use the other resistor. Oh, maybe... No, wait. Maybe should I use the resistor? Yeah, I know. You know what? I know what could happen. I have an idea. I know what could happen. Let's try this and... Yeah, let's try different stuff. Sorry for that. Okay, let's try this. Oh, I knew. Okay, I have a theory. Look, it's on. I have a theory. It's not hot? No. Probably you can see. Maybe if I turn off the lights a little bit. Let me see. Let me try it. Maybe it's better. Yeah. Yes. Look it. It's on. I'm so happy. You know what was my problem? I know what was my... I think I know what is my problem. Maybe it's no... It wasn't the resistor. I'm not pretty sure, but I'm some kind sure. So the problem is I was like sharing the same line. I mean, so let me draw. I like to draw. So draw. So let me show what's the problem. So draw here. So the problem was that I have like the resistor here. Let me draw. The resistor. No, sorry, the LED has two. The LED has two legs. One leg and the other one. And when you connect this to the breadboard, so you need one wire here. So this is like the resistor here. So you need the resistor here, like the little resistor here. Let's put it like green. And you need the other wire. The blue one. No, that's the white. But yeah, you need the other wire here. So when you're using the breadboard, you need like this to be independent. And I was having this guy in the same line. So the breadboard, this can be in the same line. Remember what I told you, that these lines are connected? Like these lines. So in order to put the LED in the proper thing, you need like one leg in one of the columns, another LED in the other column, because if not, it's going to be a mess. Everything is going to be connected. That was my problem. Okay, let me see. It's hot? No, it's not hot. I can't tell if it's hot. Maybe. Okay, looks good. So this is like the pretty standard. But what about turn off the LED, right? How can I do this with the code? We are going to do this. So for that, let me please connect. We are going to do this in two ways. With the scratch, okay? With the scratch, and we. This is going to be. This is not going to be as fun. So let's use a scratch. So we have this software called Scratch, or with Python. Okay. Okay, it's memo. Let me see what. I think you can resistor. Check if the position is check the LED position is has positive negative. No. So I think what Innuendo wanted to say. So let me show you. So the LED has two sides, right? Let me show you. So one of the legs of the leg, look, has a shorter leg. Okay. Oh my God, this is hard to see. Yeah, I guess you can kind of see. Let me see. No, it's hard because my face. If I cover my face, yeah. So they have a shorter leg. So I don't really know. So the shorter leg is the negative, and the longer leg is the positive. So sometimes you need to like change it. Yeah. Okay. So now, in order to play with the Scratch, so I don't know if you are familiar with the Scratch, but the Scratch is a software when you come it's kind of for kids, you have this little cut here. So for instance, if you put this event, like, okay, when I click this guy here, let's, say hello, for 2 seconds. So if I click here in the green thing, it's going to say hello for 2 seconds. And you have like everything for, create programs here. It's kind of, you know, you have like control, you know, blocks of sentences. I don't know how. I mean, you have like loops, you have like conditional, you have like variables. You can like create variables and everything. It's pretty cool. So Scratch also has a Raspberry Pi module. The version that you install in the Raspberry. So it has this guy here. So the proposal is like with this, you can like, you have these controls for the Raspberry Pi. Okay. So for that, what we're going to do is, instead of, you know, put energy directly from the, you know, for the voltage, we're going to change it to the 25 pin. Okay, the 25. I don't know if I can do this. Let me see. As long as your Raspberry Pi is on, the LED should light up. It doesn't double check your circuit. Make sure you haven't used too high resistor value. Thus all wires are properly connected. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Once your LED is working, it's time to program it. Disconnect the jumper for the wire of the 3 volts pin and connect it to the blah blah blah. Okay, the LED we should off, don't worry. Okay, I think we can do this like right now without problem. So we are going to disconnect this here. It's going to be off, that's normal, okay? And we are going to connect it to the jumper 25. Where is it? I don't see it. 25. Oh my god, it's in the other side. Okay, I guess this applies for... Yeah, it's in the other side. Why is it in the other side? That's a mess. Okay, yeah, I guess... I don't really want it to connect it to the 25 because it's in the other side, and connect it to another number. And it should work the same, right? Let's connect it to the... Let's connect it to the 22, okay? So... I'm just going to connect this, so I don't need this cable anymore, and I can connect it, if I'm not wrong, yeah, I can connect it directly to the 25. Okay, let's connect it to the, to the 22 in this case. I'm just going to connect it to the 22. Let me see. So now I connected to the 22, and then here, so let's see what the books say. So then we go to the Scratch. And then we have this. Okay, so we can use the vent when we click this guy here. Okay. And then we set to output high. Okay, nice. Let's do this. So set, okay. Yeah, set this guy, the 22, because that's the one that I connected. And let me see if this works. You can't see it, but I'm going to click it. And it works. It works. Oh, how can I stop this? Oh, damn it. Maybe if I put it low. Okay, let me put it high. So look, I'm just going to click the program and I show you my desktop. So I'm going to click right now and it's working. Look at that. Now we have do a little program to turn on the LED. Okay, so what else? So they have like this way. So let's make this little guy blinking. Okay, let's do this. So for blinking, what we can do is we can use a forever loop. Okay, so let's put this. Yeah, we can use a forever loop. So let's use a forever. So this is the same thing when you are programming, you know, a forever loop. And then let's put wait a second here and put it low. This is really easier. And I will show you this. Yeah, this like this. How can I? Oh, wait. Okay, how it scroll. Yeah, so it's better. So, this is a forever loop. This is like a while true. Okay? So, forever. Can I turn off this? No. We are going to put it high. And then we are going to put it, you know, low. Okay, low. And then we are going to wait another second, because if no, it's going to be impossible to really know. Okay, so high, low, and of course the 22. Let's put it at 22. Okay. I'm just going to go, and now it's blinking. Look at that. It's blinking. This guy here. Okay? Isn't that pretty cool? But you say, Guillermo, but you're just like, you know, playing with this software thing and it's like really, I don't know, silly. Okay, we are going to do the same, but in Python. I don't know anything about the Scratch Python. I just followed the book here, okay? So this guy here has this other, like, you know, editor. We have like a Python editor, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So I still can use like VS Code here. You know, I have like VS Code here if I want. You know, let's open it. But I think in this case, I need to use this Python thing because it needs some libraries. I'm not really sure. So I'm just going to follow the instructions. So we have like this Python shell. Yeah, this is a Python shell. Let me see. So it says, load Tony from the programming sections. Yeah, this is Tony. Yeah, this is Tony. Click new button to start a new project. Okay. Oh, no, man. What is this? Slide share. Okay, install it. I need maybe to install it. Oh, what is Tony? No, no more Tony. I already have Tony here. Okay, so new. Okay, new. Oh, but this is new. What the fuck? Okay. So, and save it as hello let. Okay, I'm not going to use it. You need a library called GPO0. For this project, you only need to borrow the library for working less. Okay, so let's import it. So from, okay, from GPOI. Oh, what is the thing? Sorry, I clicked something different. From the GPO. Oh, wait. What am I doing? This is really slow. No. Oh, no, this is block. Oh, it's the damn it, it's the fucking VS Code downloading something. No, can I close it? Like, I don't want. Yeah, okay. Now we are ready. So GPIO, okay, GPIO 0. So this is a library that handles the leg and import leg. This is really weird in Python. Like, it's like JavaScript on the other way, you know, like import let from. It's like in the other way. That's crazy. Okay. And then we can like just create a new LED. And what we do is like this literally. And in this case, it's going to be in the 22. Okay, great. And then let me see what the book says. We can call LED that on. And then we can like, okay, together, blah, blah, blah. Haha. Okay, how can I, if I run this, let me run it. What? Oh, I need to save it. Okay, let's save it in code. What was the name? Hello leg. Okay, let's call it hello LED. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, look this. It's running. This is with the Python library. Okay, it is running. So you go here. If I call LED off, okay, and I run it, it's going to be off, but we don't want that. We want the blinking, right? So let's do the blinking. So for the blinking, there is like a timing function from Python. So you can like import it. That was silly. So from time, import sleep. Okay, this is for the waiting. You have the LED. And then we have like this while true. It's a similar thing. While true. And another funny thing about Python is like true is with uppercase T. You know? While true, and then we need to, Python relies in indentation. So you need to indentate, you know? Don't we have like the brackets as JavaScript? Okay, so LED on, gray, and then sleep. 1 second. Oh my god. 1 second. And then sleep. Okay. Sleep. Oh, okay. It doesn't. Oh, right. Okay. Sleep. Okay. So I'm just going to show you the desktop and I'm just going to run the program. And then you can see it blinking. That's Python. So I have a question. What if I change this code? Let me change this code to Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's open this in Visual Studio Code. I know it was a mess. I guess it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter because in fact this is running in the operating system. So I just can, yeah, I can like open this. Where is my, you know, documents? No, sorry. Where is my folder? Home, yeah, code. Yeah, open. I can open like this thing here. Yeah. And then I guess I just need a terminal, right? So if I open a terminal here, give me a second. I need to. Oh my god, how is it? Oh yeah, okay. Terminal. I don't know. My keyboard is different. Attached to session, right? No, start terminal. No, sorry. No, that's like a normal terminal. No. I need like a terminal in Visual C Code. I guess is like this. No. Terminal attached to session. Okay. But no. How do I open a terminal here? Where's the command? Terminal. Open new terminal attached to session. Focus next terminal. No. I don't know why it's empty. Maybe if I open a terminal here. No. Spaces. Okay, no idea how this works. But what I know, I mean, I think I know, if I open a terminal here. Okay, this freeze. What is it? Okay, let me Google this. Open a terminal VS Code Linux, because oh, backtick, but I have it. Control Shift backtick. Yeah, but it's not working for some reason. It's not working. Give me a second. Why? Okay, let's save this. No, wait. Oh, man, no. Save it. Control Shift backtick. I guess my keyboard. Something's happening with my keyboard. Okay, what is the backtick? This guy. Oh, okay. I guess the problem is the kind of keyboard. Okay, but there is no a way to open like here, like run, like yeah, terminal. Look, new terminal. What the fuck? Okay, I was looking for that. Something happened. Okay, let's go to code. Okay, so I think if I run Python hello let, it's going to work. Yeah, it's working. Look, it's working. Great. And I guess that's everything that you can do with LEDs, to be honest. Yeah, that's basically what you can do with LEDs. I guess we can change the you know, let's stop it. And let's change, give me a second. Yeah, let's change the timing. Let's wait 2 seconds, okay? 2 seconds. This is going to be madness. And then going to run it. Going to show you the desktop. Sorry. Okay, and let's run it. So 2 seconds. Wait. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, that's it. Nice. Okay. What time is it? Oh, we already spent more than an hour. Do you want to do something else? We have a button. I'm not sure how the button works. And I still realize that I don't have enough space here. I'm going to need to buy one of the longer, you know, longer breadboards for this. So basically, you know, the concept is really simple. Like you have like these different like ports. Let's call it ports. No, it's not ports, it's pins. You have like the different pins. You have like the, you know, let me show you because I have something here. So you have these different like pins, and I guess there is a graphic here. Yeah. So you have like these different pins. Some of them, so The yellow ones, those yellow ones are the ones that you can, like code. The black ones are the one that is for negative, the ground. The orange, they have energy, and the red ones are 5. So the orange are like 3.3 volts, and the red ones are 5 volts. I know this it's a little bit blurry. And then you have like a white, but it's for a special port. You don't really touch it. And then basically the whole thing is just like you can like enable different of the different like pins to make this kind of thing work. What is this button thing? I would like it, to use the little button. Maybe I would like to use the button to turn the leg. Do you want to do that? A garden. I have. Give me a second. If you give me a second, I can show you what I have for the next episode. So you will be, curious about what we are going to do in the next. Give me a second. The base for the Raspberry Pi. What base? Like the. This is a breadboard, and this is a cover T. I can show you like right now. This is here, like a cover T. So the cover T works for connect the. Oh, but not this one. Oh my god, Raspberry Pi. Oh my god. Probably that wasn't explicit enough. Then ban. I'm going to get banned. Cobbler. It's Cobbler. Okay, this is Cobbler. Yeah, so it is guy. So basically this allows you to connect the GPIO from the Raspberry Pi to the breadboard. It's easier to use. Give me a second. I'm going to bring you one of the things that I have for play with the Raspberry Pi. This is just like the basis, we're using like just learning now, but I have interesting stuff. So for the future, I have this interesting stuff. Oh my god. So I have this this is like how you call it, like a screen. It's a touch screen. I can show you. I had so many things here. Look. I had so many things here. Yeah, I think we can stop here. But I will show you one of the things that I have. So this is like a screen, a color screen. And for that, you need something what is called a hat. Okay, it's a hat. So this is one of the hats that I have. So basically, and let me put my wrist here. Let me show you. And also, I guess I can show you also. I can also show you here. So you also have the reference. Wait. Okay, now it's growing. So this is like the HyperPixel. We call it HyperPixel. How it's called? HyperPixel Raspberry Pi. Okay, let me see. Yeah. So this is Chop P Moroni. So this is a screen. Is this a screen? It's a really nice screen. It's touch. I can show you like right now. And the feature. So okay. Oh wait. Okay. Let's. I will show you the screen. So this is the screen. I'm just going to unbox it. I already checked it. Look at. So let me see. So the thing is like you have this screen here. Look at. Very nice. This is the screen. Look, it's a screen. It's touch. But as you can see, it has like the thing here to connect it. So how you connect this in the Raspberry Pi? It's like, I can like, you know, connect it here. So for that, you can use a hat. And this is one of the hats that I have. So the hat, let me show you. Yes, the coding garden. And I also have the coding garden, and I'll show you. So this is the hat. It's kind of the similar approach about this, you know, cable here. But you connect it here. So you can connect this hat here. And then you can connect the screen, you know, the screen like this. Like literally like this, you know? So the screen will be like this in the Raspberry Pi. I have this hat and another one. What is the other hat? No idea on what is the other hat. Okay, maybe I don't have it here. So this is a mess. Give me a second. So let's close this. Let's just, you know, put this guy here. And the coding garden, the thing that is, you know, talking Rafael. So is this little guy here. So I haven't opened it yet. Let's open it. Oh, but can I? Give me a second. I need something to open this. I need like a knife. Damn it. Just give me a second. I need a scissors. Hola. Hola, hola. ¿Cómo estás? Now I have the scissors. By the way, estamos hablando inglés, pero también se habla español acá. Si alguien... Los sábados es en inglés, pero martes y jueves, recuerde que martes y jueves es en español y hacemos el proyecto de JavaScript. Los sábados hacemos IoT, estamos aprendiendo a hacer IoT, ¿ok? In English. So let me show you what is the garden. So the garden, and I can show you here to the right. So okay, so this is the screen that I have, and you need a hat. So you have a hat here. This shop is really nice. The problem is like, this shop is just in the UK, and now with the Brexit, you have to pay a lot of taxes. So this is, okay, this is the hat that I have. So it's a similar approach. You can connect, you know, your Raspberry Pi, and then you can put the screen on top of this. So I already have this. And the garden, you know, the garden is this. It's like this guy. Oh, look, this nice garden. This is a new one. So you have like this guy, and you can connect like these different devices, you know? You can connect like this little screen. I already have this. So you need a garden. So for the garden, and I have an extra one, and I will show you. So this is one of the breakout gardens. Let me see. And this is specifically for Raspberry Pi 400. You know, it says in the name. It says here for Raspberry Pi 400. So basically what I can do, let me see if I can open this clearly. Oh, there is a coding garden. Ah, okay, nice. Yeah, we can do stuff, but okay, got it. Let me open the garden. I guess I can show you. So this is the garden. Look. Let me try this. I'm going to turn off the Raspberry Pi right now. Let's turn off so we can like, oh my god, what something happened with the Raspberry Pi. Oh, it's just the screensaver. So let's turn off this guy. Shut down. Okay. Yeah, now it's off. So I'm just going to disconnect this a little bit because it's a mess. Oh, this is going to be hard. So disconnect this guy, disconnect this guy. Now we need to disconnect this guy. Let me see. Okay, everything is fine, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, it's fine. So the garden, this guy, you can connect to here. Look, like this. I guess it's directly. Yeah, you connect to here. Let me try this. Yeah, you connect it like this. You know, it's like a little garden. It's as easy as that. Oh, apparently. Okay. Okay, you connect it here. That's the garden, right? And then you can connect like different stuff. Like this is a little screen. This is a LED dot matrix. But also I have like this. What is this? This is a no. This is a screen. So I have this. So this is this one. The one that I have here is a small LED. You know, it's 240 plus 240 screen. But I also have, and I guess you have it here. I also have, like, let me show you. I also have this matrix. This is a matrix. I also have this matrix. You can code this. And also, I also have this. I have the green one. This is like a green one and the red one. It's just like a LED. So basically, you connect those devices here. You know? So you connect it here. It's like plug and play, basically. It's pretty nice. And I have a couple. Yeah, I have a couple. What is this? Yeah, this is one of the LEDs. You know, so you connect it like this. Boom. Let me show you in this other one. You connect, you know, you have like multiple connections. It's really nice. So you basically have like you can have like a really small screen here and some lights. And what I'm planning to do, maybe someone, you know, say something in the chat, it will turn on or to off. That's pretty nice. Okay, I think that has been everything for today. It has been a pleasure. Thank you so much to everyone to be here. Remember, I have a YouTube channel. We have also a Discord channel. And Tuesdays and Thursdays is in Spanish. Martes y jueves en español. We have the schedule here. Yeah. 3 p.m. GTM-5. Colombia, México. 10 p.m. Suecia, España. Y Saturdays, today is going to be in English. And we are going to, next time, for the next Saturday, we are going to try the button thing. You know, we have this little button. This little button here. You can turn it on and turn it off. And yeah, please, thank you. Let me know what you think in the Discord. You know, you always can message me in my social networks. Thank you so much for everything. Have a nice rest of the weekend. Bye bye.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up.